Wait 2 more minutes. Wait 5 more minutes. Okay, let us start. Today's class is AWS Clockwatch. Today we will discuss about AWS Clockwatch. What is the Clockwatch? Okay, we will see in detail what is the watch. Okay, I will open Paint CloudWatch. We are going to here EC2 means Elastic Cloud Compute. C2 C2 means Cloud Compute. So we have in this in this we have to monitor the servers. For that is check CPU utilization, check CPU utilization and disk spaces, etc., 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 etc. Okay, in this we have created some alarms. Automatically it will trigger and it will come to our queue, and it will check what is the server and other things. There is in humans in human not able to monitor 24 hours the server. So in this case, in this scenario, AWS invented by alarms. When CPU is greater than or or equal to or less than or equal to, we will get a mail confirmation from the monitor, from the alarm. So we can alert. So we can alert that, and we will check and log in the AWS console, and check the instances. Check the instances. Okay. So I will show how to comes mail. I will show. See, first we need to subscribe. Okay, to convert this is the account. We have to subscribe the alarms like this. First, you need to subscribe the alarms. This is SNS alarm SNS subscription confirmation. After subscription confirmation, we get an alert. We get an alert like what is the alert? Alert means hi, hi team, greetings. Please check your instances. One of the instance goes more CPU 80% greater than or equal to 80%. So kindly have a look on that. Kindly have a look on that and resolve the CPU utilization. Thanks and regards. Alarm monitoring team US East 1A. This is this thing will happen. Okay, this okay. Human means continuously not monitor the servers. So in this case, we can create one alarm when the CPU utilization is more than 80 or more than 60. Check every minute. Check every minute CPU utilization. For this purpose, we have an Python script is there. Sometimes mail will be late. No, 1 minute after 2 minutes. No issues. If a mail is not coming, check the mobiles. Mobile phone is available. Okay, this is compulsory available. That is CPU spike.py is the script. In the script, we can write entire the code. I will show. I will show. This is the CPU spike code. Okay. I will tell you in detail what is the CPU, what is the CloudWatch. Okay. What is the watch? Okay. For in in AWS in AWS console, everything is monitor and created the log. Created the log. Monitor and created the log. Okay. Watch means those who are any changes in the console in EC2 console, it will reflect on the log. The like WebSphere. Take WebSphere example. In the WebSphere, somebody changes in the console in a WebSphere application server console. Yeah, anybody changes or whatever it is, it will reflect in the system out and system error.log and some of the configuration files for security.xml like that. We can go ahead like this. In this, we can watch monitoring, auto scaling, monitoring, auto scaling, alarm, topics, created the topics. I will show one of the instance. I will show one of my instance. I am entering the top command. I already tested. I am activated my server. I tested already. I have alert in the mobile top command. When I will get a spike, say this is the okay. No, I am using my Amazon console in another tab. I will run the script. How to execute the script we will see. Python 3. Okay, it will go see this. I will show in detail what is that, okay, no issues. See 99.9%. So we can check the metrics. See 99.9%. See reaches. I can refresh. See it will reaches. Okay, this is we will do in practicals. I already tested. I already tested this. Okay, what is the time or what scenarios it will go high. My CPU utilization is 100%. So in this case, we can trigger say 99% Python 3. We can get alert by using watch. Okay, I not configure that watch alarm. So by understanding the concept, that's it. So in this, I will tell you what is monitoring, what is the performance, what is the check. Okay, we can in the real time scenarios in main organizations, we can create alarm and configure mobiles through any largest companies like IBM and all the things. We can any incident or incident task or any main MNC organizations. They're monitoring one clock and they're configure all mobile numbers and all email address, business email address, configuring this. They tie up with the incident tool, incident email ID, the capture email ID, and they push out the alert into the mobile and mail for confirmation. Priority one, priority two, priority three, like that. This is CloudWatch doing this all the things in backend. We don't know, right? We can use Amazon console. We can use CloudWatch, create alarm, and create the thread. Okay, clear the topic. What is the CloudWatch? CloudWatch is monitoring and observability service provided by Amazon Web Service. Okay, what is doing that? Performance, health check, and operation aspects of Amazon resource and application. Okay, we can do it in Amazon console. Whenever CPU utilization is high, you can trigger the alert by using the mobile and email address when you are provided the topics. Okay, while creating the topic, it asks email address and a mobile number. It will capture server details and throw it to the email or mobile number by using alarm alert and collect the monitor logs file, set alarm and alert use contain conditions. Advantages of AWS CloudWatch: comprehensive monitoring. CloudWatch allows monitoring various AWS resources such as EC2 instant, relational database or DS, Lambda functions and more. You will get unified view to entire AWS infrastructure. Last time we will see Lambda. Suppose Lambda function. Suppose I have created one instance. Suppose I am creating one instance. Suppose I am creating. I am created. Understand the concept. Okay, very important in a real time. Understand the created the instance. Along with volume. It will create along with volume. It will create automatically. If you want, if you want extra volume create and attach the instance. That's it. Okay, attach the instance. Okay, in this is attach the instance. After this, in this scenarios, we created the snapshots for any defects are happened suddenly in in our instance. So we will force to revert the snapshot. Okay, this is the organization we will do in real time. Okay, this is the organization we will do real time doing like this. So in this scenarios, lambda function works working. Those who are not running instances or volumes, it will delete it will deleted the instance. It deleted the snapshot. We will write a script using different languages in your laptop or desktop and upload the code. Upload or paste the code in the lambda function window. After paste or upload, we can deploy the code in code in instance. Code in the code and test the code. Any issues are working fine. Okay, this is the thing happen in the lambda function. Doing this, we can write the script using various languages like c sharp c sharp.net Python, Ruby, Java, like this some of the technologies, and ASP.NET, ASP.NET, and AngularJS, Python, Python 3.1 something there you can use. Okay, like this lambda function is working like this. Lambda function, what is the function, what is the use of lambda? We can send the notification unwanted, we can send the notification to the developer or who has created the instances. We can send the notification. It will not use a long time. So this is the reason we are creating the lambda function, and though it will not use, we can trigger the notification and send to the mobile, send to the email, business mail. This is the lambda function doing this actually. In the lambda function, after that, suppose our servers have affected in this purpose, we can use monitoring tool as a dynatrace, and some of the thing happen. So in different tools using infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, as a software as a service, we can deal with alarms. We can deal with alarm and attach the alarm into the instance. In the instance, those who are 100%, then it will goes no. Okay, I will say it will show CPU spike simultation is completed. See, can use CPU spike simultation is completed. So I will explain what is the real time metrics. Advantage of AWS CloudWatch allows monitoring various resources such as ETC instant, RDBS, Lambda functions, and more. You can get unified view of entire AWS infrastructure. Real-time metrics. What is the metric? Metric is the one of the graph. It will display the utilization, how much utilization. That is the metrics. Allow to respond quickly and any issues environment that might arise. CloudWatch alarm, you can set automatical action like triggering auto scaling group or scaling the out based on certain conditions. Okay. Condition, if CPU utilization is greater than 80, you can get an alert. That is the condition. Else, your alert, your CPU utilization is not more than that. Log insert CloudWatch insert analyze log in, there is log insert option is there. We can see after that creating logs. In the logs for troubleshooting purpose, we can see the log. In the web sphere, there is system out system error dot log. Like this here also default logs are generated. It will under log side. I will show you. I will show you in the log side. This is CPU high. Okay, I will close. Logs documentation. Here check status. reachable state pass. Okay, storage purpose, you can check storage EBS. This is a storage, block storage, security, detail, dedicated host. We will see that logs. I will show in the logs concept. Okay, I will forgot it. Okay, problem solving of AWS CloudWatch. CloudWatch helps address several critical challenges, including resource utilization and proactive monitoring, troubleshooting, and scalability, tracking the resource utilization and performing the metrics, and optimize your AWS infrastructure efficiently. In identifying the resolving issues before you impact your application and users. CloudWatch is monitoring. The monitoring is important. If any before affect the impact the application, we can alert. Before downing we can alert. So in this troubleshooting purpose, analysis the logs and the metrics, troubleshoot problem and reduce the downtime. Scalability means scalability, failover, high availability. These are comes under the cluster. In the AWS, there is a cluster is there. In the cluster consists of availability zones. In the availability zones consists of, I will show availability zone. What is the availability zone? Okay. In this, this is the zone. Okay. In this zone, this is the cluster. This is the cluster. Assume that this is the cluster. In the cluster consists of, there is multiple zones available. This is cloud. Okay. This is the assume the circle is the cloud. This is the availability zones. This availability zones like this. Okay. In this availability zones, we can treat it as US East 1A, US East 1B, US East 1C. In the availability zones, it will down automatically. Request will come this. Request will come this. It will routing like using algorithms in the round robin algorithms, and like this some algorithms is there in like WebSphere. Some algorithms we will see in the private cloud VPC in detail. It will comes under VPC, virtual private cloud. I will tell you detail in this chapter. How to public traffic and how to trigger the traffic comes under the application. We will tell you in the VPC, virtual private cloud chapter. We will see in detail. I will show only overview of the entire architecture. We will see in the subnet and what is there in the VPC, subnet, private and public subnets. Okay, how traffic is coming, handle handle the servers using VPC. Like this, we will see in we will see in this VPC concept, virtual private cloud. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, this okay, this is the availability zones. So in this chapter, practical use of AWS cloud, auto scaling, resource monitoring, application insights, log analysis. Auto scaling means action defined threshold. For example, automatically scaling out CPU utilization. Capture the CPU utilization and send to the alarm. That is the automatically scaling. Resource monitoring. Issue to instance, attach the database and attach the tables, wrote the tables, okay, and other elements in instance to the performance and health check purpose. If logs is 100%, the amount point is full, we can set the alarm and send to the those who are in the shift. We can send the alarm to the other person. Configure that person email ID and phone number, and we can business mail address capture and send the automatical alarm. Log analysis. Analysis of log, identify the patterns and troubleshoot issue real time. Building and cost monitoring purpose, we can help monitor and AWS building used pattern and enable the optimization cost. This is the thing. So I will go to the instance. I am going to the instance. I already this is tested. So this is I am running this instance. I am running this instance already. So I am connecting this instance. I will check CPU utilization for this. See, I will check CPU utilization for this. Everything is fine, normal. Okay. So I am login the root user. Okay. I am copying my code using Nano. Nano is the one of the tool. CPU spike dot py. Nano is the editor. Nano is the editor. We can use to edit the files. We can use Vim or Vi also for this. We can use Nano also. I think Nano is not there. We can use Vim. We can use Vim. Nano is there. I tried last time. Vim CPU spike dot py. So I copy paste my cloud all things. Shift insert CPU spiky. Use exclamatory. Okay. I am go to the instance. Go to the instance. Go to the instance. I am click the instance. I am such the what is the instance name? 9F1F. You can see what is the instance name? Test 9291F. Okay, we can use CloudWatch. This is the CloudWatch. I am configuring the CloudWatch. See carefully. I am creating the alarms. I am creating the alarms. In alarm, I am creating the alarms. Create, select matrix. In the matrix, I am selecting the E2 instead 291F. Okay, this is 291F or test. Test is the right instance. Yes, test is the right. Okay, I can have otherwise we can use not trigger. Re-instance matrix. See, this is the CPU utilization. I am selecting this. Select a matrix. Okay. After this, we can use average or medium, maximum based on the real organizations. Don't use in production servers. Minimum one is minimum 1 minute. I told right. Every 1 minute we can triggers greater than or equal to 80%. Okay, we can use data point alarm to get that missing no issues. Next, I am creating the topic. In the topic, I will write mail address, business mail. I am writing the business mail and creating the topic. Topic one, okay. In this, I am creating the topic. Sorry, I am creating the topics, okay. Topic one, priority one, CPU utilization. Okay, business email address. Okay, we can use CPU utilization. Okay, we can use business email address. Okay, I am creating the topic. Don't use new. Okay, after this, next alarm name. We will write the here. Okay, hi, hi Ganesh, greetings. Please take care. Your instance name text. It will goes. It goes. It goes more CPU utilization. Please solve the issue and close the incident, close the issue as soon as possible. Thanks and regards, cloud alarm team. Cloud alarm team US East 1A. Okay. After mark it as a next, we can go to the create alarm. It will check in all alarm. It will displace. This is our priority. We can use SMS subscription for mail. It will send the mail. Okay, I am verifying the my mail address. Yeah, I am verifying my mail. Check email address for confirmation purpose. It will use. Okay, confirm the subscription. Subscription is done. My subscription is done. Okay, in all alarms. View alarm. This so in this I I run the program Python 3 CPU spike. Okay, I will one more time. Okay. I will explain. I am creating the time input to time. Def CPU spike duration is 30 seconds. CPU percentage 80. Print simultaneous spike percentage. Start time time dot time. Target percentage is equal to percentage by 80. 80 by 100. Okay. In target percentage is equal to 5,000. Adjust number of needs and range of total iterations. Result is equal to 0. For I in the range 1 comma 1001. Result is equal to plus is equal to in reputations task. Okay. In this completed. Okay. WQ save. I have no. Yeah, it goes. I will close and I will run. Check. Actually, mail is triggered. I am not a mail. Here I have no metrics are there. So I tell you in the dashboard. I will tell you in the dashboard. Okay. Here go to click the test. Here go to the instance. Go to the security and go to the monitoring. It will go here. Check this. See. Wait. It will goes. I will also open here. Okay, here check here CPU spike. It will reach 100% or not. Okay, is disabled actions. Wait, it will come. It will create alarm like this after subscription. CPU utilization greater than 80 for one data point within 1 minute. See, this is increasing. See, this is one data point for this 80%. Okay, okay. So it will reach it will reaching until here 80% is completed. Okay, so this is the metrics. 1 minute it will shows like say 80 one data point within 1 minute 80% is reaches. Okay, that is the issue. Okay, view in resource health. Message detail not enable. Okay, enable detail monitoring. Enable the monitoring. Okay, I am enable the monitoring. So I am selecting this. After enable the monitoring, we can enable the monitor also, monitoring also. Then only it will monitor. After this, go to the monitor. They will use sec and launch. See, view. Okay, it will go UTJ time. Okay, it will goes high. Okay, like this. In organization, we have mails also confirmation. Yeah, I have no mail for this. So I am not configured like this. Okay. For subscription, always I configure like this. Okay. This is the thing today. This is the alarms. How in real time subscription is occurs. Okay. Learn this how to watch how to create alarms by using alarm to avoid the issues of CPU utilization. All the things. Okay. Thank you for watching this. Okay, I am tomorrow we will see virtual private cloud. Tomorrow, after day to tomorrow, we will see based on our commitments. We will see how to configure private cloud and a public cloud and hybrid cloud. What are the subnets are available? How to configure the subnet? How to traffic is routed from the private public net to private servers. Okay, we will see in the next class. This is the thing. This is the topic. Okay, thank you for watching this. Please subscribe the channel. Okay, we get notifications. I am stopping the streaming. If any doubts, ping me personally. We have phone number is there in YouTube.